Ma'am, page number.
Page number 8.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Page number 8, Moral Science books. We had finished with the exercise on top. Exercise 3. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera, child. आप लोग कैमरा क्यों ऑफ कर देते हैं? आप लोग नहीं चाहते मैम आपको देखे? यस अली. All right, we finished with the third exercise. We'll quickly revise it. God created all dash and animals in this world. And your options were zoo, plants, noises, books. So the correct answer we had ticked last time, plants. Have you all done it? Give me a thumbs up. Vali's counting. Okay, now the next one, number 2. God is happy when we happily dash the food mother cooks for us. Remember last time I told you, whatever food mommy cooks, we have to eat it. You don't have to make a fuss. You don't have to say, no, I don't like it. So God is happy when we happily. Options are A, throw, B, smell, C, eat, and D, spoil. Spoil means खराब करना, waste कर देना. And your answer was eat. God is happy when we happily eat the food mother cooks for us. Ayat, we are on page number 8, child, moral science book. All right, the next one, number 3. When we make mistakes, we should pray to God to dash us. जब हम कुछ गलती करते हैं हमें गॉड से प्रेयर करके क्या करना है? वी हैव टू आस्क हिम टू फॉरगिव अस. हमें माफ़ कर दे. जब भी हम कुछ गलत करते हैं उसके लिए हमें गॉड को सॉरी बोलना है. वी हैव टू आस्क हिम टू फॉरगिव अस. योर ऑप्शंस आर रिमेंबर, पनिश, जॉइन और फॉरगिव. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर वाज फॉरगिव. फॉरगिव मीन्स किसी को माफ़ कर देना. सो हमें गॉड से वी हैव टू प्रे टू गॉड टू फॉरगिव अस. Now down below you have some nice pictures. Can you see these beautiful pictures given here? Yes. It says God made many natural things like animals, plants,
मैम
mountains and insects. Yes?
मैम आपने ये जो नीचे बना हुआ है वो नहीं करा है.
No, we haven't done that yet. We are going to do it today.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
God had made many natural things like plants, animals, mountains, and insects. He also made you. God has made you and me also. See the pictures below and write 3 things which makes you different from other creations of God. Now, God has created you and me. Pranjali, page number 8, child. God has created you and me. God has also created animals, plants, mountains, right? Insects, birds, everything God has created. But you have to write 3 things which make you different from the other creations of God. 3 pictures are given. उन pictures को देख के आपको लिखना है 3 things जो आपको उन गॉड के दूसरे क्रिएशन से अलग है. आप द फर्स्ट पिक्चर यू कैन सी देयर इज अ बॉय, ही इज जॉइनिंग हिज हैंड्स. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट बॉय इज डूइंग? हृदय, you can see the first picture, that boy, he's joined his hands, his eyes are closed. What do you think he is doing?
मैम
He is
प्रे.
praying. So
मैम
I
प्रे.
can pray.
मैम प्रे.
All of you write
मैम
P
प्रे.
R A Y, pray. Number 1, right over there, P R A Y, pray. All of you write it. Take your pencil. Pray. Pray. Hardik, the next one. See that girl? You can see she's opening a big mouth, laughing. So I can laugh. Laugh. Prashasti, sit straight. Laugh. On number 2, right over there, laugh. 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 Next, number 3. I can dash and speak. Now ऐसे करते हैं जब.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So what action is this? Yes, Shivansh.
Ma'am, think number 2 का repeat कर कीजिए.
Laugh.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Rishita, what action is this जब हम ऐसे करके करते हैं? Can you tell me?
कुछ सोचते हैं.
कुछ सोचते हैं. Very good. And we say सोचने के लिए for English we say we think. We can think. और उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ से? बोलते हैं. Very good. We can speak. So I can think and speak. So on the first blank, you write THINK, think. On the first blank, write THINK, think, and then speak. SPEAK, speak. THINK, think, and then speak.
मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए.
THINK, think. Give me a thumbs up when you finish.
मैम की स्पेलिंग बता दीजिए.
THINK, think. And then the next blank you write speak. SPEAK.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arav?
मैम कौन सी बुक निकालनी है?
Moral science. This is your moral science period. Page number 8. All of you finish? Give me a thumbs up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
पीक नंबर 1 पे लिखना है या पे नंबर 2 पे?
Number 3. Number 3. Sentence number 3. I can think and speak. पिक्चर पर ध्यान दीजिए. पिक्चर में ऐसे करके वो बच्ची थिंक कर रही है. So I can think and speak. Got it? All right. Now moving to page number 9, children. Page number 9. It says, know the world around you. Now we have to know the world around us. We cannot see God directly. Yes, you all know that we cannot see God directly. But we can feel Him through His creations around us. गॉड को हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन गॉड को हम उनकी क्रिएशन, जो चीज़ें उन्होंने बनाई है, उन चीज़ों में हम गॉड को देख सकते हैं. अब आपको 5 चीज़ों के नेम्स लिखने हैं इन क्लाउड्स में, जिनमें आप गॉड को फील कर सकते हैं. नाउ थिंक वेरी केयरफुली. सबसे पहले आप गॉड को अपने घर में, अपने आसपास किस में फील कर सकते हैं? जो आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं. They are always there to take care of you.
Ma'am, I feel God
Go, Omaj, go. Omaj, go.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. I'm mother. Parents. Parents. Mother.
Your parents. Very good. Mother, father. So you write over there.
Mother,
Parents.
father.
Yes. So
Mother.
put in this cloud parents. Parents. Your parents. You can feel them. You can feel God in your parents. Because God is loving. He loves us a lot. बहुत प्यार करते हैं गॉड हमसे. और गॉड के बाद नेक्स्ट हमारे पेरेंट्स हमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. वी कैन फील गॉड इन आवर पेरेंट्स. सो राइट ओवर देयर पेरेंट्स.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, parents की spelling
Parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Riya.
Ma'am,
Now
father में लिखना है.
parents. Yes, in the cloud you have to write it, Pranjali. The topmost cloud here in the center, right over their parents. All of
Excuse
you
me,
done?
ma'am.
Give me a thumbs up. Yes, Anaya?
Ma'am,
Anaya?
God लिख सकते हैं.
Yes?
God.
You have to write the name of 5 things. 5 चीजें जिनमें आप गॉड ने बनाई हुई चीजें जिनको आप उनमें आप गॉड को फील कर सकते हैं. सो पेरेंट्स. यस शिवांश.
मैम काउ लिख सकते हैं.
पेरेंट्स. सबसे पहले आप पेरेंट्स लिखिए. सबने पेरेंट्स लिख लिया? ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ थिंक ऑफ अदर थिंग्स जो गॉड ने बनाई है उनके बारे में सोचिए.
मैम हम लोग काउ लिख सकते हैं.
Flowers, animals.
Flower and trees.
Don't write one animal. Children, listen. Mute yourselves and listen. You are all giving correct answers. That good. You're saying plants, flowers. You are naming the animals. Right? Flowers, plants, animals. Then you can also feel God in the sun. Teachers, okay? You can feel God even in the sun. डेली हम लोग को लाइट रोशनी मिलती है. रोज सुबह होती है, सूरज हमें रोशनी देता है. So God has created the sun. So you can write all these options: flowers, plants, animals, sun, teachers. जो भी आपका मन करे आप वो लिख सकते हैं. Yes, sure. Children, you can write options which you feel like. Okay? You can write the options which you want. So I am leaving this page for you to do on your own. You will complete this page and send me the pictures on personal. You will send me the pictures. You will send me the pictures on personal. All right? God is almighty. We should thank him for everything. See, lesson for life. Put your finger here. Lesson for life. God is almighty. We should thank him for everything. We have to thank God for everything. Almighty. He is the living God. He is almighty. He is everywhere. He can see everything that we do. He is very strong. Right? We have to pray to him. We have to thank him for everything, children. Now, make sure you complete this page and send the pictures to me. Now, do one thing. Today, don't send the pictures to me on personal. Since this is something that all of you are going to write, so you can see the answers, different answers. So, I'll open the group. You can send it to me in the group. Right? You can send this to me in the group. We'll see what everybody is writing. Everybody's got different ideas. Sabki thinking alag hai. So I'll open the group. You can all post it in the group. Right? Now turn the page and come to page number 10. Come to page number 10. We are going to start with the next lesson today. My parents, my angels. Our parents are our angels, children. Open to page number 10, all of you. Give me a thumbs up, all of you have opened page number 10. Page number 10, all of you. All right. Page number 10. It says, my parents, my angels. Love towards parents. Now, this lesson is going to tell you about your parents, that you need to love your parents. You need to be with them, help them, just like they take care of you. You also need to love your parents. Have you ever thought who brought you in this world? Why do they love you so much? Do you love them too? Why do you need them? All right. Kriday, do you love your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you love your parents? मम्मी से बोलिएगा, पीछे से आंसर नहीं देंगी, आप अपने आप बताएंगे. Why do you love your parents? सोच के बताइए
Yes,
आप. Yes, you love your parents. That's good. Now, why do you love your parents? All of you think I'm going to ask you. Priday, don't mute yourself. Keep your mic on. I want to hear you. I want to see you. Mummy will not give you the answer. Think and answer.
take care.
They take care of you. Okay, very good. You love your parents because they take care of you. Mummy is always there around to help you. Whatever you need, she's always there with you. Yes, Kriday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. All right. Visual, do you love your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now tell me one thing. Why do you love them? ऑल ऑफ यू थिंक मम्मी पापा क्या क्या करते हैं ना आपके लिए, कितना ख्याल रखते हैं आपका, इतना प्यार करते हैं, जो चीज़ आप बोलते हैं वो आपको लाके देते हैं. मम्मी मेक्स लवली टेस्टी फूड फॉर यू. शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ यू व्हेन यू आर सिक. Yes, all of you. Your parents love you. They take care of you, children. So you also love them because they are your parents. And they give you everything. सब कुछ जो आपको चाहिए आपके पेरेंट्स आपको देते हैं, आपका ख्याल रखते हैं. रोज सुबह मम्मी आपको जगा कर अच्छे से तैयार करके क्लास में बैठालती है ना. कितना प्यार करती है मम्मी आपसे. Mummy does everything for you. Your father also takes care of everything. Whatever you want, he brings from the market for you. This is the reason why we love our parents, because they care for us. They are the ones who brought us in this world. Now let's see what the lesson tells us. Miss Matthew, our class teacher, says that we are in this world because of our parents. Mother and father are our angels to look after us. Parents are our angels. हमें जब भी कुछ चाहिए होता है ना, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम जल्दी से जाके अपने पेरेंट्स को बताते हैं. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Do you do it? All of you? जब भी कुछ चाहिए होता है मम्मी पापा के पास जाके जल्दी से बताते हैं. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है मम्मी के पास जाते हैं. अगर हमें थोड़ी सी भी चोट लग जाती है, वी गो रनिंग टू आवर पेरेंट्स. वी गो टू मम्मी, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे चोट लग गई यहाँ पर, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना मम्मी के पास जाके. फिर मम्मी हमको प्यार करती हैं, जल्दी से मेडिसिन लगा देती हैं. यस मंजीत, पुट द पेंसिल डाउन, डोंट प्ले विद दैट. विनायक, पुट योर पेंसिल डाउन. लिसन केयरफुली. Ishanvi is straight. So our parents are always there with us to take care of us. Now, Miss Matthew is a class teacher and she's telling the children that we are in this world because of our parents. Mother and father are our angels to look after us. This is my mother. I call her mummy. Her name is, now there is a blank space given there. All of you know the name of your mummies? All of you know your mummy's name? Rishita, what is your mummy's name?
Mother.
Now you write your mummy's name there. Vaishnavi, you know your mummy's name? Prashasti, you know your mummy's name?
Ma'am Archana Mishra.
All right, all of you write your mummy's name there.
Ma'am
Take
Renu
your pencil.
Asana.
Pick up your pencil and write your mummy's name. Her name is, write the
Ma'am
first name.
Archana.
Just write the first name. And please switch on your cameras. जब हम आपका नाम लेके कुछ पूछते हैं तब आप लोग कैमरा ऑन कर देते हैं. Write your mummy's names, all of you. All of you write the first name. Write your mummy's name. Yes, Astha. Aradhya?
Ma'am Renu Asana.
Okay, good. So write mummy's name there. Now, she works hard and cooks delicious food for the family. She also keeps the house clean. Mummy keeps the house clean. Mummy makes sure that the house is looking nice, presentable, clean. Yes, Anaya?
Ma'am Mrs. Asna.
Okay, good. So all of you know mummy's name. That's very good. Now, the next paragraph says, he is my father. His name is Dash. Now, you all know your father's name also, I'm sure.
Ma'am.
Everybody knows.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Miss.
ma'am, may I बताऊं? Ma'am,
All right. Now, all of you write your father's name. All of
my
you write.
father's name is Abhishek Nigam.
Okay, Anya, very good. Now, you write over there.
My mother's name is Priya Nigam.
Write it over there. Mother's names you finished.
Excuse
Now,
me,
write your
ma'am.
father's name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti.
My father's name is Anand Mishra.
Okay, good. Nice to hear that you
Excuse
know
me,
your
ma'am.
parents'
Ma'am, my
names.
father's name is Mr. Saif Mohammed.
Okay. Children, it's very nice to hear that you know your parents' names. Very good.
Mishra.
Now write over there your father's name.
Ma'am. My father's name is Sanjay Srivastav. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. My father's name is Kisan Kumar Gautam.
Okay,
My
good.
father's name is
Shivansh, have you finished?
Ma'am, बताओ.
Have you written your father's
Excuse me,
name?
ma'am. Ma'am, father's name is Shivadhar Mishra.
Okay, now write it over there.
Excuse me, ma'am. My
Yes.
father's name is Mr. Sanjay Srivastav.
All right, very good. Now all of you mute yourselves. I call him Daddy. He is very strong. Now everybody's daddy is very strong. He works very hard in the office. Daddy goes to the office, he works very hard. He earns money for us. And then she says, I have a little sister, Sia.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
फादर हमें जब चोट लग जाती है तो फादर हमें हॉस्पिटल भी ले जाते हैं.
Yes, father also takes us to the hospital. when we are sick or when we get hurt. And he goes to the office, he earns money for us, he gives us all the necessary things that we need, right? Now, here she says, I have a little sister, Sia. This little one is Sia. The little sister's name is Sia. Yes?
एक्चुअली मैम
Yes?
मेरे फादर ने मेरे बर्थडे में बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट दिया और वो भी बहुत
Okay, that's good. Now let's see. Yes?
मैम मेरी सिस्टर का नाम है अनिका निगम
Okay, Anika. Right. All right.
मैम
On
मेरी सिस्टर का
Sundays we
नाम
have meals
एक्सक्यूज
meals
मी मैम
together. I help Daddy to water the plants
एक्सक्यूज
and
मी
wash
मैम
his car. Yes, Ronik?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मेरे फादर का नाम है मिस्टर नितिन रस्तोगी
Okay, that's nice to know that you all know your parents' names. Very good. Smart children.
मैम माय फादर नेम इज मिस्टर समीर गिरी
Okay, fine, good. Now on Sundays we have meals together. I help Daddy to water the plants and wash his car. Sia helps Mummy in dusting the house. See children, parents सब बच्चों के साथ में मिलके सारा काम करते हैं. We enjoy everything together. Parents and children they do all the housework also together. बच्चे लोग पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करते हैं काम करने में और पेरेंट्स उनकी हेल्प करते हैं स्टडीज में. सो टुगेदर जब हम साथ मिलकर सब कुछ करते हैं तब अच्छे से सब कुछ हो जाता है और काम अकेले किसी के ऊपर बर्डन भी नहीं आता है. सो योर पेरेंट्स आर देयर टू टीच यू एवरीथिंग. मम्मी पापा के साथ मिलके जब आप काम करते हैं तो आप सीखते भी हैं. यस वी लर्न थिंग्स बाय डूइंग देम. जब पापा के साथ में आप प्लांट्स को वाटर करते हैं पापा आपको सिखाते हैं कैसे पाइप पकड़ के पानी डालना है और यू यूज द कैन टू पुट वाटर. देन व्हेन ही इज वॉशिंग हिज व्हीकल then also you are helping him. You give water, you give soap, you give him the duster to wipe it, right? Then mummy when she's doing the cooking, you help mummy with the cooking. Some of you whatever thing she tells you to bring from the fridge you quickly go and bring it from the fridge. If mummy says go bring tomatoes from the fridge you go and bring the tomatoes from the fridge. Yes, छोटे छोटे काम मम्मी के साथ कर सकते हैं मम्मी की हेल्प कर सकते हैं. And I know all of you do it. You are all very good and smart children. Very good children. Now see on the next page you have another beautiful picture. And it says in the evening we go out for a ride. Last Sunday Daddy took us to the museum. Daddy also takes us out, you know children. Parents take us to visit certain places. अच्छी अच्छी जगह ले जाते हैं जहाँ से हमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. म्यूजियम इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पर बहुत सी पुरानी चीज़ें होती हैं. So this child is saying that my father took me to the museum on Sunday. He showed us the articles kept there. Yes, Anya? All right, you can see the picture. The beautiful articles that are kept. Museum में जो पुरानी चीज़ें होती हैं वो सब दिखाया डैडी ने और काफ़ी चीज़ें सिखाया उनको. He teaches us many new things. At night, mummy reads out stories to me and my sister. My parents teach us good values. They always help and guide us. I love my parents. They are very special. Parents are very special for us children. They teach us all the good things, all the manners. सबसे पहले हम लोग मैनर्स अपने घर से सीखते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से. उसके बाद हम लोग जब स्कूल आते हैं तो टीचर्स से सीखते हैं. बहुत सी चीज़ें हम लोग अपने आप देख कर अपने आसपास सीख लेते हैं. यस, सो वी आर ऑलवेज लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू. And remember, parents are our first teachers. Always remember children, parents are the first teachers. हमारे सबसे पहले टीचर हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं. वो हमें चलना सिखाते हैं हाथ पकड़ के, वो हमें बोलना सिखाते हैं, खाना खाना सिखाते हैं, हमें सिखाते हैं मैनर्स, कैसे हमें दूसरों को विश करना है, हमें अच्छे से बिहेव करना है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स जब आप छोटे बेबी होते हैं, जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हैं, स्कूल आने से पहले घर पे आप सब कुछ सीखते हैं. सब कुछ पेरेंट्स सिखाते हैं. सो पेरेंट्स आर द फर्स्ट टीचर्स. दे आर द ones who teach you all the good manners, right? So you must always listen to your parents, respect them, love them, care for them. Now we finish with this period, children. So you will read the lesson very well for your homework, right? With that, we finish with your moral science period. Now listen carefully.